Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how I make delicious carnitas in the crock pot. It's perfect for tacos. Here's what you'll need. Start by adding half of the onions and half of the garlic to the pot and place the meat on top. And now you're going to add all the dry seasonings. Once you've added all the seasonings, add the rest of the garlic and the sliced onions and just mix it around a little bit. You're going to cook it on low for 8 hours. After 8 hours, your meat should just fall apart. It's so tender, so juicy. In a bowl, chop up some cilantro and dice up some onions and just mix them together. I also have lemon and radish. And this is how I make my carnita tacos. These are really good and really easy to make. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching.